Good morning. We're here at Weirs Beach waiting for the Mount Washington cruise ship to come back from its morning cruise, and we're going to take a 2.5-hour sightseeing ride around Lake Winnipesaukee, and we're going to take you along with us. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy the videos, and we'll see you at the other end. Here's a few little short video of Weirs Beach. Weirs Beach on October 7th, 2025. Water level's really low.
He has a barbecue, and he does cook a lot.
He cooks it all.
Yeah.
This is the video coming up, man. The view of that, you can see the way from that.
nobody on the boat.
I know. It's crazy.
This was wonderful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at this. What a beautiful day.
They have the
Great
whole boat to
company.
ourselves. But I bet you there's probably maybe 40 people here. That's about it.
Really? Oh my God.
Where at the beginning there were 400.
Yeah.
It looks like a bunch of geese to me.
See the marker there?
Yeah.
There's a buoy there.
Yeah, all the way around.
That marks one of the. That's the witches.
Oh yeah.
Most of it is usually invisible,
You know,
but the lake is about 2 feet lower than it's supposed to be,
Look at this.
and so these are
Just floating. This is what we're doing the
showing.
When I go to this shore, it's $2.
There's an awful lot of crashes that happen out there.
We have lines. Everything is started. At 2 years old.
This is Timber Island. If you've watched any of our other videos, this is an island we spend a lot of time at. That little cove over there, we've got a video on the channel that has something to do with sunset on Winnipesaukee. We had anchored right in that cove and filmed the sunset and hung out there for a while with some friends right in that spot. And if you look through the haze over there, that mountain that you can see that's off in the haze, there's a little different little, that's Mount Washington, way off in the distance, and the White Mountain Range in the background there. Just a few of the little cottages along the lake shore here. This is, I believe this is Governor's Island. This is one of the relatively exclusive parts of the lake. If you have to ask the price of one of these places, you can't afford it.
In the United States is now $440. The average house.
I'm going to guess that when they talk about the 1%ers, I'm going to guess that these are the folks that they're speaking about.
But how do working families or
And again, I would suggest or I think I would, I don't know, I guess
but then Mimi
that
says
these are basically summer residences.
they want the
I'd
big
be really curious to see
they want
if
the
anyone
grand
actually
countertop.
lives in these as a year-round house.
They don't just take the apartment for a little while and gradually work their way up. But
My parents' first house.
and I was a little taken aback by how he his cousin that we just saw in this cabin. It
It was pretty rough.
okay. It
like a hotel, but I believe it's
That's the $990.
single family residence. Not quite sure. Obviously we don't live there, but
But I mean, honestly, it was so enlightening to see how they live. It was wonderful to see how they live.
Is that New Hampshire regulation or just this lake? Don't have a black mark.
I'm not really sure. I don't know. I get the feeling it was New Hampshire. All of New Hampshire's
Bernie Sanders, yeah.
lake markings.
She works for
Kind of coasting through the Narrows here
A non-profit
at the top of
that helps people fill out
Governor's Island.
wills and trusts and stuff to make sure older people can properly.
Well, we're coming into the Weirs. Weirs Beach. That's the canal to Paugus Bay. These are the public docks at Weirs Beach. And we are getting ready to pull up to dock. It was a great trip. We had a great time. Enjoyed a nice sandwich, some snacks, some adult beverages, and it was absolutely beautiful. October 7th afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I wish you'd hit that subscribe button, maybe the like button. And oh, by the way, you know, if you've got some comments or something, I do read them. I will respond to them. Don't get that many, so please do that. And I hope you're going to have a great day just like we did. Thanks a lot. See you later.
Restaurants,